Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In this video, we will learn how to convert any integer to its equivalent Roman number using Java. So here you can see we have this main method, and outside of this main method we need to create one another method, that is public static final string. Its name is int2 Roman and it takes one integer, and in return of this method we will get its equivalent Roman number. Okay, so first we need to create two arrays. So first is integer array and the second is string array. So in this integer array we have some numbers. So these are number in which the Roman number change. So first Roman number starts from 1, that is I, and then it changes in the fourth position. So when it reaches 3, so it uses I, but for the 4 it uses IV. Then again it changes to the 5, that is V, and so on. So here you can see one another array in which I have saved the Roman number of these numbers. Okay, so for 1 we have I, then 4 and here IV, then 5 and we have V, for 9 we have IX, and for 10 we have X, and so on. So we can convert till 1000 number. Okay, now after these two arrays we need to create one string builder object, string builder SB. Okay, now after creating this string builder we need to create for loop. So and this loop will run from 0, that is I equal to int I equal to 0 to I is less than this values array. So values dot length. Okay, so at this time this array has 13 numbers, so the loop will run 13 times, semicolon I plus plus. Now in the body of this for loop we will again create one another loop, that is while loop, and here while the number that we will get from here is greater than equal to values I. Okay, so we will enter in this while loop if this number is greater than the values I, and here first we will minus the number from the values I. So number minus equal to values I, and here we will append SB dot append, and here Roman literals and I. Okay, now let's understand what these are doing. So the first, let's example of 3. We have a number 3. So first this loop will run first time, and here we will check the number 3 is greater than equal to values I, that is 1000. So here answer is no, so we will not enter in the body of this while loop, and this for loop will run once again, and at this time this values I is 900 and this is also greater than 3. So again we will not enter in the while loop. So again it will check and check and check, and we will reach here. Okay, so values 13, and at this time this 3 is greater than equal to 1. So here we will enter in the body of this while, and we will minus this 1 from 3. So we will get 2, because 3 minus 1 is 2. And we will append this SB to Roman literals I. So I is I. So now at this moment we have one I, and the number is now 2. Again it will check the number is greater than or equal to values I, that is 1. So we have at this time 2, and the value is 1. So again we will enter here. So first we will minus 1, and now we have 1, and we will append this SB. So here we have double I, and now number is 1. Again it will check the number is greater than or equal to values. So at this moment we have 1, and here we have 1. So again it's true. Again we will enter in the body of this while loop, and here we will just minus 1. So at this moment number will be 0, and we will append I. So using this we will get triple I, that is the equivalent value of 3, that is I. So this is the method that we can use to convert integer into Roman numbers. So at the last we need to return, and we will return SB dot to string. Okay, now let's check this code is working or not. So here and here we will put any number. For example, first let's enter 3 and run. Now you can see here triple I, and if we use 8, then the result will be here. You can see V and triple I. Same you can use any number, for example 49, and here you can see XL IX. So this is the method that we can use to convert any number into Roman numbers. Okay, so friends, this is enough for this video. If you have any doubt, then you can write that in the comment box below. So if you like this video, then please hit like button, subscribe this channel and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next. Till then, bye.